Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have a box opening, and this is my husband. This is how my husband treats me, is what I was going to say. I had wanted these two dolls for a while when I first heard about them. We couldn't find them. Every morning I'd get up. Every morning I would get up. Every morning. And one of the first things I did after I came in from walking the dogs, and all I have to do, is pull up Amazon.com and Walmart.com to see if these dolls were there. Well, I knew that Carrie and Eli from InkPad's Playpad also wanted these dolls, and I had contacted them belly aching, when are the dolls coming out? And Carrie said, actually, they're on Amazon now. And I said to Darren, oh, they're on Amazon. He pulled it up that quick and had them both ordered for me. And I can't thank him enough. Okay, MGA, Rainbow High, Chanel Onyx. I have the original Chanel Onyx, and I have taken a Chanel Onyx and redid her completely, face up and all. All right. Let's move this and take a look at this girl. I don't know, maybe I'll save this too.
It even has her name on it.
Yeah, I know, and that's a shipping box. I love Rainbow High and Shadow High dolls. This is a collector's edition. Oh, her phone fell, or whatever she's holding fell out of her. Maybe that's her phone and that's something else, I don't know. But here she is in all her glory. They are such beautiful dolls. These came with articulation. They were a little bit more expensive for a Rainbow High doll, which really, when you're thinking about a collector's doll with the articulation anymore, it's not a bad deal. Look at her fingernails, but don't look at mine. I'm only going to open one today because I'm ashamed of my fingernails and I'm trying to hide them from you. I've been out working with the animals and on the farm, and I haven't had the time to paint them. But I'll do that and show you the other doll tomorrow. This month, our channel has been picking a Halloweenish song and giving the first line, and then we ask you, after your regular comment in our comment section, to please leave the next line and look through the comments to see some of them. Today we're going to do Don't Fear the Reaper. And the first line is, all our times have come. Leave the next line in our comments along with the comment that you're going to tell me that this is a beautiful doll. Again, we found them on Amazon. They do sell very quickly. I don't know if they're just putting a few up at a time or if they're only coming up a few at a time. I don't know. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.